We have already introduced how to use count_blank function in Excel. There is actually another function, ISBLANK, which is also very useful. ISBLANK checks a specified cell and tells us if it is blank or not. If it's blank, it will return true, or it will return false. So if we check the first column here for quiz 1 to see which cell is blank, we can use equal is blank. We can select one cell or just the whole column. Hit enter, and we can see if it's blank, the value returns true, and if it's not, it returns false. And actually we can combine with if function to make this more outstanding and easy to recognize. We can make this blank. If it's not, we say it's okay. And we can also copy this column to the other two. So we can see there are 4 blank cells in this table.